The new generation tabletop. Next generation scanning electron microscope of SEC with compact size but excellence in performance. Alpha. Be a pro with pro features. Experience best-in-class 5nm resolution through precise lens control. 4 types of variable apertures assure flexibility and fine focus for any kind of sample. High reliability 5-axis motorized stage control allows easy and accurate manipulation for the samples. With unique anti-vibration technology of SEC-Alpha, the machine would be installed in various environments with high reliability. Now, let's take a look inside. 3rd-generation software includes enhanced automation and intuitive interface that makes the system more convenient. Experience the innovatively reinforced autofocus function. Broaden your sight with large area capture. You'll have a full-scale scan for larger samples as the motorized stage takes images all at once. Check 3D surface roughness with newly applied 3D rendering feature. Everything you expect from an electron microscope. SEC-Alpha.